Today we are going to make a floating ball. You will need bowl, thick paper, clay, tape, straw, pencil, foil paper and scissors. Now take the ball and the thick paper. Take the pencil and draw the same circle on the thick paper. Now, in the same circle, we had to cut it. This is the circle. Now we are going to fold the circle. One, two. Now open it and take the scissors and cut into the center. Fold like a cone. Then tape here and here. This is the cone shape. Now take the scissors and cut very little on the bottom. Now take the straw and insert on the hole. We will use clay to stick, cone and straw. Now this is the floating ball.